You can see how the rice is kind of toasted. What the heck? So we're toasting the rice. We don't want it fried, we just want it toasted, light brown. There's 4 chicken tenders cut up. We're going to put those in there in a moment. Have a tablespoon and a half of some of this caldo de tomate de pollo, 2 cups of water, and some garlic powder, and about a half a can of tomato sauce. Mine's got water in it, but that's okay. We're going to put all this together here in a minute and make chicken rice. Okay, rice is toasted. We're going to add the chicken. So just add the chicken to the rice and then stir it till it's just a little bit fried, turns white on the outside. So, bad shot. See the chicken's turning white like that? And it's starting to cook, but you don't have to cook it all the way through because it's going to be boiled. So just remember, you don't have to cook it all the way through. I'll turn up the heat a little bit to about medium. I'm going to stir it for another 5 minutes and then put the liquid in. Okay, liquid's going in. Okay, now we're just gonna stir it once, cover it, and we're never gonna stir it again. Put about a half a teaspoon of garlic in there. That should be good. You can put some ground pepper too, black pepper. Okay, stir and then cover. Cook it for about 18 to 20 minutes till it's tender and all the liquid absorbs, and it's done. So yeah, just medium heat like that. Just get it to a boil. And if it does look like it's drying out, but the rice is not cooked yet, add hot water, not cold water, hot water. Only hot water, because then you'll split the grains of rice if you put cold water. That's about the boil you want right there. Just a slow rolling boil, nothing crazy, not too hot. Still boiling. Looking good still, looking good. Almost done. Tastes good. It still has plenty of liquid in there, that's what you want. But like I said, if it dries out, just add a half a cup of hot water at a time, just to keep it covered like that. And that's it. That's what it should look like right there. Rice is cooked, chicken's tender, and tastes great. So there you go. Hope this helps you out. Enjoy.